That was a very bad run. But then again, luck wasn't on our side, and that is one part of that game. Let's go. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got a shield. The higher you finish, the more points you get, because it takes the bunny helicopter more time to get your position. So that's also something to keep track about. Okay, we're out of shield, which is fine. Because there's a new shield. There's a new shield. A slow start. And we're only having N and S of the bonus. Okay, now it's looking good for us. We're only missing the O. The only way to trigger that bonus more consistently is getting rid of the Melmel, I think. Now let's do that. Now we can finish the big one. Can we get the O? No way there. Seems like it does it. There we go. Now extra point stage coming up. This map and we go extra points. Yes, sir. Get an S in the meanwhile. And here we finish. Bonus point stage, come on. Be kind. Oh, I messed up. Okay though. But up. No, you can do better, game. There we go. I need a B and an N. N? Okay, now we need a B. I think we can do that, game. Come on. The green B. Ah, no green B. Ah, we're gonna get it now. It's fine. Pac-Man extra was nice though before. That was sure to give us good points. There we go. Thank you, game. There we go. That's fine. Mm-hmm. Okay, we're still having all 4 lives. This is good. Now it gets difficult though. Because now we have many enemy types chasing us. Okay, we're gonna keep the the top one, because I think that's gonna give us the highest chance of getting a good bonus score if we finish there. Yeah, I guess we take the gun then. Got her. And finish, come on. Hmm? That's the one we died on before, so try to make it better this time. Mm-hmm. Nice. We're doing good. After this one, no, that's the one we died on, true. But after this one, we get the bonus stage. Oh, we got the Pac-Man one? We're gonna make good use of that. Oh! I thought that's gonna stay for a while. Oh well. The more you know, the less you need to worry about, right? At least that's what they say. Can we even reach that one here? No. But this one... Yeah, this one is doable. Okay, alright. I'll do a high one here, just to make sure. There we go, and finish it off. We lost 1 life. We can live with that. Oh, let's get some points, come on. We need the green B and the dark gray U. That would be so handy. Oh, it's an orange U, true. Come on, there we go. Poof, 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 poof. Ooh. Purple and blue S. We good again. Let's save the pick here. Oink, you really saved my bacon. Let's see, because this should be... Oh no, I gotta do it from the left here. Alright, that is fair. Let's do this here first. There we go. Almost bad. Nothing major. There we go. Okay, that was clutch. If I'm allowed to say so myself. Okay, there we go. Oh, come on. And high one? Yes, sir. Let's take that. So we beat our old score with this. Nice. Oh, we got speed turn. We will need that and we will use that. Oh, the car feels so good all of a sudden. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. I know this is a tough one. Because you somehow... Turbo. It was already a very bad case of how to reach this platform properly. Come on, I just want to reach this platform. He's gonna take a life from us. That is such a nuisance that this platform is so hard to reach. Oh, why? Come on. What am I asking you to do, game? Only give me a fair chance of getting this thing. Come on. How are you supposed to get this then? The game is not supportive of my mission. How am I supposed to get this? We just get another turbo and lose another life. We don't even get the B, which would still like make the run viable at this point, because we just need to beat the 200k. We take that. Come on. I know. I don't get it. How are we supposed to hit this then? Tadaima. Okairi. Ah, cake. This is so unfair because I'm not able to get this jump. My question is now, how are we supposed to get this jump then? See this? It's the only platform left we need to take. And if we had that... Tried now so many times from this one side, and it doesn't work from either sides, right? I think it must be from the right side, but I don't get why the game won't let me take it. See this? Yeah, come on. You're so funny, game. Boing, boing. Great run. I mean, we beat the first place now, but still, is this an oversight in the game? You cannot pause, otherwise I would have just said I'll look it up real quick. See, there's something I'm missing. But it ain't a high jump. And I can only do long jump, high jump. Those are like long jump, normal jump, high jump. Those are the only jumps you have in this game. How are you supposed to get this then? Okay, I'm gonna try something now because I'm dying now. I'm trying something. I'm gonna do it from this platform. No, that's not gonna work either. Okay, we're dead. But it was... We got the record, at least, so... 247,534. Not happy with it though. That is unfortunate. So we got 247. 534, right? Let's watch it once more. Yeah, 247, 535. 535. Okay. We got a point more. We'll take it. The game always adds 1 point. I had that the last time as well. What can you do?